Picture, if you will, the top 10 places on Earth that exude charm, history, and sheer beauty, starting with the cherry blossom-filled streets of Kyoto, Japan. Next, the majestic peaks of the Swiss Alps stand tall, an epitome of nature's grandeur. Third, we have the vibrant cityscape of New York, where dreams become reality. Fourth, the serene canals of Venice, Italy, promise a romantic journey. Fifth, the enchanting Great Barrier Reef in Australia, a dazzling spectacle beneath the waves. Sixth, the awe-inspiring pyramids of Giza, Egypt, stand as testament to human ingenuity. Seventh, the ethereal northern lights of Iceland, a cosmic ballet in the night sky. Eighth, the captivating wildlife of Serengeti, Tanzania, a true testament to nature's bounty. Ninth, the iconic Taj Mahal in India, a monument to eternal love. 10th, the breathtaking views of the Grand Canyon, USA, a sight that humbles and inspires. Each destination, a story, a memory, a dream. Immerse yourself in the beauty of our world.